Hello everyone. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to do this border typos using your mobile itself. So let's go into the video. First of all, install PixArt app from Play Store. I'm just opening PixArt. Click on edit a photo at the top and select your picture which is you are gonna edit. So I'm just selecting this picture. And now we have the tools under, but I'm going to crop this image first of all. So I'm just cropping it. So like I have just cropped it. Now I'm just swiping the tools and going to a draw option at the bottom. Like you can see, there's a draw. And now swipe and select on the text icon at the draw control box. Now you can select the text under the like I scrolling it down. So selected text and I'm selecting this. Yeah, this one. Okay, so now click on the tab to edit to enter your text. I'm just entering happiest happiest happy. Wait a minute. Happy girl is the prettiest girl. So I have written this. So now I'm going to adjust the size of the brush. I'm minimizing it. You can select it on your own purpose up to which scale you want. So and now I'm adjusting the color from the side color tool. I'm selecting white color. So now I'm gonna draw. You just need to hold your finger to the screen and just drag to the place where you need to draw the text. So I'm just dragging my finger for it. So now too you can see I'm just dragging. You need to fully drag to get the full text. If you halfly drag, it will never show the full text. So this is about the edit, and now I am going to change the color and show you two more examples, like drawing it on. You can see. This is for an example. You can skip it, you can watch or you can skip it upon your own purpose. Now then I'm going to show you how to export this image. Now okay, I'm just undoing it, and now click on the tick symbol at the bottom right, top right corner, and now click on the download symbol, save as JPG, and click on save. You don't need to edit anything, and now click on save. Now you can go to your gallery and you can check your images have been downloaded and in your gallery. So that's about the edit. Hope you like this video, and make sure you subscribe and give a like to the video if you get a nice insight from this video. Thank you.